This is going to be a short video showing you the test setup for the Himmelstein torque sensor. Now this is the torque sensor right here. It's going to measure the torque going into this generator. We're going to light the light bulbs, measure the torque, and the torque is going to be shown on this screen here. You can see it right there. What you're looking for is the top number. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start the generator. We're going to measure the torque, the horsepower applied to the generator, and we can get an understanding of the efficiency of this generator. Now, one point I want to make. This generator is going to run about 92, 91, 93% efficiency depending on the particular way the meters are reading it at that moment. Now, Danotech has one that is 3% more efficient, but they spent $41 million doing it. We've got it, we did it by hand and got 92, and I'm going to show you how this thing works. I'm going to turn it on. This happens occasionally with this software on the torque sensor. We have to restart it. Okay, we're going to start the Now I want you to see the torque. See that number? It's 2.68. Now what we're going to do is measure the voltage. The voltage is right there. Let's say 339. And the current is 0.42 amps. The next thing we have to do is read the RPM. I'm going to do that with a tachometer. The tachometer is reading 422. So what we do is we multiply the 2.622 times 422, and then we divide that by 5252, and that says we're 0.21 horsepower times 745, we're at 156. Now the voltage. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure, we're going to say 0.42 times 339 divided by the answer. That comes up to 91% efficient. Now this Himmelstein torque sensor has been calibrated by the National Institute of Science and Technology, so we know it's correct. Once we use that torque sensor, everything else is irrelevant. We're at almost 92%, and what's going to happen is we're going to tighten up the coils, tighten up the gap, and it's not going to cost us $42 million to do it, and these generators will be the rage. I don't know of another generator this size that compares with this.